Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how I made this delicious spinach sauce or spinach stew, anyone you call it. This can be eaten with white rice, boiled yam, boiled plantain, or whatever you choose to. So let's make the stew. First, this is the spinach I will be using. I soaked it already with salt and water to get away the dirt. Here's my red pepper, and here is my spicy pepper. I have my stock cube here, the onion. I have some shrimps here because I love shrimps in my food. Some extra virgin olive oil, salt, one tomato. I don't like adding too much tomato, and this is optional. This is sausage, it's optional. So let's get started. So here are my spinach already washed and dyed, and my pot is on fire. I'm just going to add in some extra virgin olive oil. You can use groundnut oil, whichever oil you have. Next, I'm going to stir fry my shrimps. I love stir frying my shrimps a lot. It's very important. Next, I'm going to add the diced sausages and the bit of meat I'm using too. Like I said, this is optional. You can decide to use meat, fish, whatever you like. It's left to you. So I will stir fry them for another 5 minutes. Now I'm adding in my diced garlic. Why, for those who love onions, you can add in diced onion and garlic, depends on you. Next, I'm going to add in my blended tomato, pepper and onion. I will be adding in my stock cube next. I'll be adding in some aromats, and also I'll be adding a bit of curry. These are optional too, depends on what you like. Here I'm adding a bit of salt, and I'm going to cover and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. So this is after 7 minutes. I'm going to start adding in my diced and washed spinach, just like this. Stir together. Now cover to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes again. So this is after about 5 to 7 minutes, and I think my sauce is ready. For those who like it a bit thicker, you can still leave it a bit more. You know, the spinach doesn't have to cook for too long. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.